And I'm in the vlog, yes. And may nag-aaway dito sa amin. Hindi ko alam kung ano meron. Well, I'm vlogging only because may hinihintay ako para may gagawin kasi ako sa main channel. So, editing videos that I will upload in my vlogging channel, which is the videos that happened to me this high school years. Natawag ata ako nun. Yun nga, pinag-init na ako ng ulam na aking well, yun, editing ng mga past happenings videos, and I will upload it to my vlogging channel. So, more vlogs to come. So, yun lang, hindi ba kami kumakain? Makakainit pala ng ulam at anong oras na? It's already 10 of in the evening. Yeah. It's relaxed. Sige, bye-bye. Mag-upload pa ako.